Unlock the future of filmmaking with OpenAI's groundbreaking Sora, and I'll show you how. First, let's talk about crafting the perfect prompt. This is your artist's directive, so be descriptive. Think about the subject, the action, the environment, and the mood you want to evoke. For instance, instead of a dog running, try a golden retriever joyfully chasing a vibrant red ball across a sun-drenched meadow with gentle wind rustling its fur. Sora offers incredible customization. You can guide its artistic direction. Imagine specifying cinematic lighting, a retro 80s aesthetic, or even a hyper-realistic, documentary feel. Experiment with keywords that define your desired visual style to truly shape the output. Beyond just the visual, control the narrative flow with camera language. Detail the type of shot. Is it a wide establishing shot, a medium shot on your character, or a dramatic close-up? Specify camera movements like a smooth pan, a dynamic dolly, or a subtle zoom to imbue your animation with purpose. As you refine your prompts and explore these options, you'll notice the AI learning and adapting to your creative vision. The key is iterative refinement. Generate a clip, observe the results, and tweak your prompt for the next take. Think of yourself as a director guiding an incredibly talented virtual actor. With a little practice and detailed prompting, you can move beyond simple animations and create truly compelling, high-quality videos. Sora is your tool to bring imagination to life. So start exploring and start creating today.